ladies, today is May 7th, and we are going to be looking at page 21 in your packet. It is week 5, day 4, and today we're talking about Danielle, and she babysits for 4 days and earns a total of $65, but we want to know how much money she earned one of those days. All right, so Danielle earned $25 babysitting. And this was on Monday. So she earned $25 for babysitting on Monday, $15 on Tuesday, $12 on Wednesday, and by Friday she had earned a total of $65. How much did she earn on Thursday? All right, so she earns $25 for babysitting Monday, $15 on Tuesday, $12 on Wednesday, and then on Friday she had a total of $65, and we want to know how much did she earn on Thursday. So let's kind of go through and figure out those different quantities and the amounts of money that she earned throughout the week. So she earned $25 on Monday, and then on Tuesday she earned $15. On Wednesday she earned $12. And then it says on Friday, so by Friday, so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, she earned some money. And then on Friday, she had a total of $65. So $25 Monday, $15 Tuesday, $12 Wednesday. And by Friday, after working these 4 days, she had $65. And we want to know how much money she earned on Thursday. So thinking about this problem, is the total amount of money that Danielle is going to earn on Thursday going to be greater than or less than $65? So she earns all this money, and on Friday she has a total of $65. So I want you to ask yourself, is the total that Danielle earns on Thursday more than $65 or less than $65? And how do you know? All right, so I would highly recommend coming up with some sort of visual, asking yourselves, do I know my total? If I know my total, can I eliminate any operations? What is my unit? Can I combine these units together? And once you are finished, big yawn. And once you are finished, go ahead and unpause your video, and then we will check your work together. Hi, ladies. All right, so Danielle earned different quantities of money throughout the week. And then on Friday, she had counted up all her money and it came to a total of $65. But in our problem, it only gives us the amounts of money she earned on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So we want to figure out how we can use those quantities and then our total amount of money that she earned to figure out how much money she earned on Thursday. So before we get started, I want to think about a visual that we can use to help us solve this problem. So what I'm going to do is I know that I have 4 parts, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, okay? So I'm going to just kind of divide this into my 4 parts. On Monday, this is my $25, Tuesday, my $15, Wednesday, my $12, and then Thursday, I don't know, okay? But I do know that this entire thing gives me a total of $65. So all 4 of these numbers together give me a total of 65. So I want to think about how I can use that information to help me. Because my unit is the same, I can add and subtract them together in order to find an answer. I also know my total, okay? So I know my total, so I don't want this number to be bigger than this, okay? So in order for it not to get any bigger than this, I don't want to necessarily add these quantities that I know together to get this. So there is going to have to be a little bit of subtraction in this problem as well, although we are still probably going to do a little bit of addition to figure this out because we have some quantities that we need to know. So first things first, I want to figure out the amount of money in the 3 days that I do know. So my first thing that I want to do, that first part that I'm going to do is take the 3 amounts of money that I do know. So I know that I made $25, $15, and $12. So this is going to tell me kind of what this part right here is. So 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 2 is 12. 2, 3, 4, 5. So I know between these 3, I earned $52, which is super helpful for me to be able to figure this out, knowing my total amount of money. All right. So what I want to do now is I want to take that total amount of money that I earned, which is $65, and I want to subtract away the amount of money that I know I have, figure out what the difference is between these 2 amounts. So I'm going to take minus 52. 5 minus 2 is 3. 6 minus 5 is 1. So right now it's showing that this would equal 13. So what we want to do to double check our work is figure out, does 13 plus 52 equal that 65? Oops. 13 plus 52. So this is a 3. 13 plus 52. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. So this is showing that these are correct. But then I also probably want to just check this to be on the safe side as well. So what I can do is take 52 and subtract these amounts. So if I took 52 minus 12 and then that answer minus 15, I should get 25. So I'm going to start with 52. I'm going to subtract the 12. 2 minus 2 is 0. 5 minus 1 is 4. So at this point, it shouldn't equal 15 because I'm going to subtract this number away. But once I subtract 15, it should give me 25. 10 minus 5 is 5. 3 minus 1 is 2. So doing this strategy, it showed that this is correct as well, which means that the amount of money that she earned on Thursday is $13. So my answer with my unit is $13, and you can either list it like this, or you can list it as dollars and cents. So $13 with no cents. And then for my number sentence or my equation that matches my work, I'm going to have to do a little bit of extra work here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by writing out these 3 numbers. So I had $25 plus $15 plus $12. So we added those 3 numbers together. Once I got my answer for this, which was 52, I subtracted 52 from 65. So this is kind of where one of those misconceptions come in. If I put minus 65 here, that's going to be 52 minus 65. And we know that that's not correct. So I want to take my 52 from 25 or from 65, which means that $65 needs to go at the beginning. Because that's 65 minus 52, which then gives me $13.